Hi, I'm Jack. Welcome to Bay Campus here at Swansea University. Such a great place to live because the beach is only a 5-minute walk from the campus and the halls of residence are just behind me. There are 2 room types we have on offer here to show you, and I'm going to give you a quick tour. This is the medium ensuite bedroom. Over here is the desk area for you to work, and over there is a big wardrobe for you to store all of your clothes. Over here is the bed. Now the bed's very comfortable and has a lot of storage space underneath too. The bills are included with the rent and the Wi-Fi is free. And just through that door over there is the ensuite. You're now in the ensuite. It's really convenient because it's in your own room and it's all yours. So you have a shower, a toilet, a sink and a mirror. This is a premium ensuite bedroom. It has everything a medium ensuite bedroom has, except it's a little bit bigger. It's got a double bed and an armchair. It also has a desk, a bedside table, a wardrobe and plenty of storage space. This is one of the kitchens we have to offer you here at Bay Campus. It doesn't matter which room you choose, you can always get access to a kitchen like this one. The kitchen comes fully equipped with everything you need to cook your meals. So that's an oven, hobs, microwave and a kettle. You also get fridge freezers and lots of storage space and cupboards to store your kitchen utensils and your food. Now it doesn't matter if you don't want to cook any meals because you can visit a catering outlet on campus. The halls of residence here also have a common room. They have a pool table, a ping pong table, some lovely comfy sofas and a big TV to watch. A lot of people do come here because it's never really crowded and there's quite a lot of things to do. If you look behind you, there's the Great Hall. And in the Great Hall there's a cafe and bar overlooking the bay. If you want to go into town, it only takes a quick 15-minute bus ride. Swansea Town Centre is only 10 minutes away from Bay Campus and 20 minutes from Singleton campus as well. Within the town you can find loads of different restaurants, bars, gyms, shops and cinemas. I find the town rather beautiful too. I hope you enjoyed my tour today and I really hope to see you here soon. Take care.